Hey guys, what's up? It's Skylar85 back, another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Crash Bandicoot N-Sane Trilogy. So I picked this up today. Really looking forward to playing it. So it includes all 3 original games. Yeah, really looking forward to playing this. It was a timed exclusive on the PS4 for a year, which makes sense considering it's a PS4 game anyway, or PlayStation exclusive. So there, as you can on the front, you can see Crash Bandicoot, and yeah, everybody else. Oogie boogie. So, there's the side. And there's the back. Crash is back and insanely better. Includes all 3 original games, Crash Bandicoot, Crash Bandicoot 2, Cortez Strikes Back, and Crash 3, Warped. So yeah, and it's up to 30 gig storage. So yeah, and inside we've got an advert for the Spiral Remaster Trilogy, which I can't wait for. Loved it as a kid, along with this. So yeah, definitely going to be getting that. And then obviously we've got the disc as well. But yeah, that's it for a rather quick unboxing of Crash Bandicoot the N-Sane Trilogy, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.